How's it going, everybody? This is Rob of Novakast, back with another reaction to the DevilArtemis Perfect Cell series. And I'm gonna say, I'm not sure if I'm looking forward to this. Alright, let's continue. Perfect Cell versus Mario.
Yeah, let me get a number 17 and a number 18.
Excuse me.
17 and 18. Get it? Because he absorbs 17 and 18. Heh. Heh heh. Heh. Heh.
Who the fuck are you?
It's me, Mario.
Can I help you?
It seems to me that you have a cut in line.
So deal with it, you short Italian shit.
Oh, you're making me so mad. You won't like me when I'm mad.
You know, I'm curious. Are you even Italian?
Now you insulted me more. You won't be talking shit when I insult your mama.
Well, actually, I'm an
Oh
android,
my gosh.
so...
She's going to suck the sauce off of my spaghetti. She's going to choke my salami. And she's going to marinate in my ragu.
Are you done?
Dude, I just want a fucking burger and you cut in line.
See, was that so hard? I'm so sorry. You can take my place.
That's it. Alrighty then. Alright, the next one is Perfect Cell versus Godzilla, which he is on the small side. He may actually be Godzilla Jr. Now that I'm thinking about it.
What the fuck do you mean you got crabs? Listen, I'm gonna tell you one last time. You did not get it from me.
Are they implying that Perfect Cell had sex with Godzilla? I don't even want to know how that works. I don't think that would be physically possible for that to work.
Oh, don't you give me that bullshit! If I was so small, why'd I have you screaming my name, huh? I fucked you, and I fucked you good. Oh, now you're just lying. I used a condom. He's here? Fuck you! Bitch, you got me tripping. I ain't paying no fucking child support.
I'm sorry, that one wasn't funny. Alright, next one is Perfect Cell versus Jotaro. Now, everybody, I have not watched JoJo yet. People have been asking me to watch it, so I'm gonna try to take the time to watch it at some point. Just not this particular second.
So then YouTube decides not to share any of my notifications, and I'm all like, what the f***? Y'all niggas got me tripping if you think that... What the f***? Give me a second, Kermit. 1 second, hold on. Hello? Hi? Yeah, who the f*** are you?
Good grief. I'm not sure the old man had any idea what he was talking about.
Hey, auditions for the Breakfast Club are not at the Cell Games. Fuck off! Stupid teenagers.
I'm looking for Dio. Apparently I was told he was seen heading in this direction.
Listen, whoever told you that is a fucking retard. Because there is no dildo or whatever the hell you're looking for here, alright? Do me a favor. I'm a busy man, alright? Please take your Keanu Reeves looking ass out of my arena.
You know what, asshole? You've managed to piss me off.
Okay. And is that supposed to mean something?
Star Platinum! Time resumes.
Oh! Oh, dear God! Oh, my fucking Oh, what the hell just happened? Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Oh, God! Oh, God, I think I'm bleeding! Oh, my God! Oh! Oh!
Good grief.
Okay, that one was funny. Okay, skipping to the next one. This is Perfect Cell versus Pokemon. As long as there's no Jesse and James bullshit, we're good. Alright, here we go.
Cell, I'm a Pokemon master, and I challenge you to a Pokemon battle.
A what now?
Go, Pikachu!
Pika pika.
I don't even own a
Prepared.
Pokemon.
I love that. Prepared to die.
That's bullshit, and you know it.
Go. Oh my. Oh. Someone, you sexual assault!
Pika.
Pikachu, dodge it!
No. Oh, that's fucked up.
Use Thunderbolt! Pikachu? Oh dear God! What's it doing to my Pikachu? Oh my God! Oh my God! When he poops from there! Oh my God! Pikachu! No!
Oh, this is fucked up.
Who's the master now, bitch?
Yeah, that was all kinds of fucked up. Really fucked up. Alright, next one is Perfect Cell versus Stormtroopers. I can only imagine how this would go.
Rejoice, Planet Vogel! We are here on behalf of the Galactic Empire to claim this planet. And you, yes you, have been elected to join our ranks. Consider this mercy on behalf of the Emperor.
You know, I don't think he's gonna appreciate his dog trying to force him in this goddamn slavery, man.
What? What are you doing?
I'm just saying, man, you know, the man obviously doesn't look like he wanna come.
Really?
Peacefully, I mean, look at him, man. God damn it. Look at him, Josh.
No, seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Listen, man, someone has to stand up.
The white Stormtrooper and the black Stormtrooper. No, you cannot be making this joke. Oh, for fuck's sake.
For the people, dog, you feel me? Someone has to stand up for the people, man.
No, seriously, why are you talking like that?
Yo, man, chill, man. You embarrassing me, dog.
Why are you talking like that?
Oh, so now the Empire controls my ethnicity? Is that what you're telling me, Josh? Is that what you're telling me?
Your real name's Kevin!
You just treat me this way because I'm a minority.
You're not even fucking black! Your armor is black! You're fucking Asian, Kevin! You're fucking Asian!
Right.
Ah! You know, that's actually how I thought it was gonna go out. Okay, the next one is Perfect Cell versus Kermit the Frog, Notorious Kermit, big Popa parody. I'm gonna hate this, aren't I?
What's going on, everyone? Kermit the Frog here, and today we're going to get lit as fuck! Yay!
Wait, you're gonna get lit with me too, right, Kermit?
Oh yeah, I guess.
Oh, hell yeah!
You know, being married to a pig is not really that fun. I mean, I love her and everything, but it's just not the same. She used to be so different.
Tell him, Kermit. Tell him
You
how!
see, this piggy makes me stiffy. The way she looking thickly, gonna give her the sticky, turn that pussy to bacon quickly.
But Kermit, she loves your riches. You missing out on the bitches. The women be bootylicious. They're twerking be mighty vicious.
You're right. So Harley, I wanna touch your skin. I wanna be all fucking balls deep inside your ribs.
Strap up, don't have no kids. You better trust what I'm saying. This ain't no fucking games when we out here spraying.
I love it when you
Call me Big Kermit. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player.
I love it when you call me Big Kermit. I'm having sex with the block when I pull out the cock.
But tell
I
him.
love it when you call me Big Kermit. You got this frog up your waist, I'm gonna shoot up your place.
Why?
'Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
Baby. Artemis gang, baby. Remember to hit that subscribe button and of course buy my merchandise in the description. Also remember to click that bell icon and please give this video a like. Hashtag Kermit the Frog in the comment section. We'll see you all next time, baby. Goodbye.
my.
I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of trouble with this video. And that's why. Alright. Next one. Alright. Next video is Perfect Cell versus Jigsaw.
Where the hell am I? What the fuck?
Hello, Cell.
No.
You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game.
You have got to be joking.
Up until now, you've had no problem watching others fall before you. You even went as far as to label yourself as the perfect life form. For someone of such stature, something as simple as a decision should be child's play. Well, is it? Let's find out. Before you stands an individual, a single individual who serves an important role in your life as your best friend. However, today an important role falls upon you, who must make a decision. Only one person will leave this place alive, you or him. In 30 minutes, this doll will explode, killing one of you in the process. If you fail to decide before time is up, you both die. Remember, you are being watched. Make the decision. Live or die. Let the games begin.
No, goddammit, no!
Ah! Where the fuck am I? Ah! Sal, is that you?
No, no, I'm not finding a Kermit! No, damn you! Damn you! Free my man Kermit! Free Kermit!
Sal, I can't feel my eyes.
Just hang on, Kermit! I'll find us a way to get out of here!
Sal, I have no eyelids. I can't feel my eyes. Ah!
He's suffering, you bastard! Let us go! Let us go!
Never.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I was not expecting Gohan to be running Jigsaw. Okay. Alright. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you guys can, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're going to do some more content like this down the road. If you guys can, follow us on social media. Links are in the description. If you guys want to follow MJ, Aden, and Magi on some of their gaming stuff, you can follow them on Twitch and YouTube. Follow some of our other content daily, as well as check out our podcast every Sunday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. This is Rob from Novakast signing off. Have a good one, and take care. Peace.